Hi there, I'm Dr. B and I want to give you a warm welcome to our family of traders. You are in the excellent company of expert traders as well as traders who are still learning. I'm going to take a couple of minutes to go over what comes with your membership and go through some of the important channels in our server. What comes with your membership? Your membership comes with alerts, a daily watch list, self-learning resources, and a supportive trading community to help you navigate the ups and downs that come with trading stocks. Custom scans, courses, my personal workspace, custom scripts, all can be purchased on the website. They do not come with your membership. I'm going to go through some of the channels with you. Be sure to explore all of the channels on your own time. First and foremost, review the cancellation policy. If you scroll down here, this is where all the channels are. Cancellation policy is right here. Once you click on it, you will see our cancellation policy, how to cancel, and important information related to canceling. How to cancel. You go to the upgrade subscription channel. You are going to type /downgrade, select cancel subscription, press enter, and then you're going to select manage your upgrades. Once you select manage your upgrade, you're going to follow this link. You're going to click Yep. This is going to take you to your upgrade chat profile. On this page, you should log in with your Discord. And this is your upgrade chat dashboard where you can cancel your own membership. If you are still subscribed to my server, it would say Dr. B Stock Circle. It would tell you what your status is. And then you'll be able to cancel it by clicking on the gear icon and selecting manage. I've already canceled my subscriptions to these servers, so I'm unable to show you, but once you click manage, it should take you to another page where you can go ahead and finish canceling your membership. You will know that you successfully canceled your membership if it says canceled. It should say canceling if you haven't passed your renewal date. So if you canceled before your renewal date, this is going to say canceling. This is going to turn to canceled once your renewal date passes. As long as it doesn't say subscribe, you have successfully canceled. It should say canceling and then turn to canceled. If it does not say cancel, then you did not successfully cancel your membership. Another way to cancel to get directly to this page is to type in upgrade.chat/profile in your internet browser, and it will take you directly to this page and you can cancel from here. So I just showed you two ways you can cancel. You can cancel from within the server by typing downgrade, or you can type in the URL upgrade.chat/profile and it will bring you to your dashboard where you can go ahead and cancel. I wanted to point out that this is the only way to unsubscribe from the chat. If you don't follow the steps above to cancel your subscription, you will continue to be charged. I have it here in bold. Deleting the app does not cancel your subscription. Even if you delete the app and you did not downgrade following the instructions I just showed you, you will still be subscribed. Now let's talk about when subscriptions process. If you signed up for the monthly subscription, it will charge on the same day every month. That means if you signed up on February 20th, then the 20th of each month will be your renewal day. The same thing goes for your yearly membership. If you purchase on June 21st for 1 year, then your new payment will process June 21st the following year. So to avoid being charged again, you want to cancel before your renewal date. Then we have a note about payments. If your payment declines, it will automatically attempt a second time the next day. If the payment declines on the second attempt, you will automatically be removed from the group. You don't have to cancel, it just cancels you automatically. No refunds if you forget to cancel your membership. There are no refunds for this because I just showed you how to cancel it, so there's no reason for you to forget or not know how to cancel. A word about disputes. When you sign up for subscription, your IP address is recorded. Your billing address is recorded. The secure digits on your card information have to be entered, and this all validates your purchase. So if a dispute is filed, I will counter and provide screenshots of your subscription, which contains your IP address, the device used, and the address used to sign up, as well as screenshots of any dialogue in the server, screenshots of all of your recorded activity, because every time you visit the server, every time you click on something, that's recorded. Screenshots will be sent to counter your dispute. So just cancel the way I showed you so we don't have to go through this. The second most important channel in this server is the FAQ channel. The FAQ channel is a list of all of the frequently asked questions that I get consistently from members who have just joined the server. I highly recommend that you read through the FAQ before asking questions in the server, because more than likely it's already answered here. For example, question number 2, what conditions do you look for when entering a trade? I get this question quite often, so the answer for you is right here. So please go through this channel thoroughly, read each question and answer before posting questions in the server. We don't want to crowd the server with questions that have been answered time and time again and posted right here in the FAQ. This is a dynamic channel, so I am always updating it and adding new questions, so you should spend a lot of time in this channel. The next channel you want to visit is the Daily Watch List channel. I post a daily watch list here every morning. You should do your due diligence and decide whether the trade is something you want to take. The information collected for the watch list is from pre-market data. We all know that once the market opens, this information is likely to change. This is why it's not guaranteed that I'm going to trade these tickers. This is just an idea of what I see pre-market, and if the structure holds up, then I am likely to trade it. We have the stock chat. This is our main chat room. This is where we discuss strategies, we share ideas, people are asking questions. This is where main communication happens during market hours. Day trade alerts. This is where you will find alerts for the day. All the alerts shared in this channel are for the next week's expiration. If you check here in red, this is posted every single day. All alerts are the next week unless noted otherwise. So any alert posted here has an expiration date for the following week. So you don't see an expiration date on this alert right here, because everyone automatically knows it's for next week. Also noted in the alerts channel, sell when green. You will sell any alerts when you're green. Do not wait for me. This is why you don't see any exit alerts here, because each member is expected to sell when they are green. Many of us have different position sizes and entries, so you would sell when you are green. When I enter an alert that I post here, I go to the main chat room and I will post whether I'm green or red. If I am green on an alert, then I am likely planning my exit already. So I do let people know when I am green on an alert, which means I am planning to exit. So this is what the alerts look like. I actually alerted these to FSLY. So that's the name of the ticker, a 20 put. 20 is the strike price, P means put, and how much I got it at, $1.32. This alert was for Zoom. Zoom is the ticker. Strike price was 130. It was a put. I paid $5.57 for it. And again, both of them were for next week's expiration date. For the alerts channel, I only alert tickers that meet all of my conditions, which are fired from at least a 3-dot squeeze, has aligned histograms on all time frames, has stacked EMAs on all time frames, and have not moved past their ATR. If the ticker doesn't meet all of these, then it won't get alerted. I am looking for 1 to 2 good trades per day, no setup, no trade. So don't be alarmed if you aren't seeing tons of alerts. In fact, if you go through this channel, you will see the number of alerts that are posted, and I look for quality over quantity. For example, on this day, I only alerted one ticker, which was IRBT, but one ticker, I made $5,000 on that ticker. So I'm looking for 1 to 2 really good setups. So you're not going to see 30 alerts here. Additional trading opportunities can be found in the Swings Alerts tab, or you can find some trade ideas in the chat room. So the Day Trade Alerts tab are just for day trades. I post the alert, we're in, and then we're out before the end of the day, usually done trading by lunchtime. Everything posted in this channel is meant to be a day trade. We also have a Swings channel, and this channel is ran by our expert trader Swing King, and he posts swings. So if you are unable to watch charts all day and get in and out of the day trades, then maybe the Swings channel is more appropriate for you. In this channel, Swing King posts alerts with further out expiration dates. Alerts posted in the Day Trade Alerts channel and here in the Swings channel are the most reliable. Some members have found it useful to follow just these 2 channels, the Day Trade Alerts and the Swing Alerts. Next, we're going to talk about our Profits tab, and this is where we share profits for the trades that were either alerted in one of the alerts channel or shared in chat. You can go through here and see how members are doing on some of the trades. I always post my gains on all the trades I call in chat, and members like to share their gains as well. Again, this channel is solely for profits on trades that were shared in the alerts channels or in chat. If you have profits from something that wasn't shared in chat, you would post that in the Hangout channel. It wouldn't go here. This is only for trades that we shared in chat or posted in the alerts tabs. If you scroll down a bit more, you will come to our education section, and this is a very important section because it contains valuable free resources. For example, we have the abbreviations channel, and this is where you will find a list of abbreviations and terminology used here in the server. We have a My Trading Rules tab, and these are the rules that I follow when I trade, so for entry and for exit. The Resources tab have a number of books and downloads that you could use. And what new members have found very useful are the Options 101 and 102 videos. Options 101 walks a new trader through all aspects of options trading, starting with setting up an account all the way to talking about types of orders and implied volatility. So if options is fairly new to you, you want to definitely review all of these videos. They are organized by topic. Options 102 focuses on technical analysis, and this channel will walk you through technical analysis. You will learn about candle patterns here, or even learning how to play gap ups. An important channel here is the TTM Squeeze channel. You want to download the TTM Squeeze cheat sheet. It's a cheat sheet that I created to help you remember the steps on how to trade when a ticker is in a squeeze or when it has fire. So you definitely want to open and download this document. The TTM Squeeze is the indicator that we use in this server, so you definitely want to be very familiar with how we use it. If you need additional learning material other than what's offered in the server, you can come to optionsqueen.org and check out our courses. There is an options basic course which covers everything related to options trading, and then we have a technical analysis course which would be a great pairing to the free resources that are already offered in the server. Many members have found these courses to be useful. You also have the Voice channel, and I am on Voice every morning for market opening. You would click General, and then you are connected to Voice. On your cell phone, you would click General and then click Join. Again, I am on Voice in the mornings for market open. As you can see, there are a number of channels for you to visit. Please take the time to learn the server and go through each channel. How to be successful in this server? First, read the FAQ. Some members print this out or write it down, take notes, but go through the FAQ. Practice, practice, practice. Many members have found it useful to paper trade for 3 to 6 months before trading on their real accounts. So you want to practice how we enter and exit trades. So take this time to observe and learn. Stick to the 2 alerts tabs. As I mentioned earlier, these are the most reliable. You will see other trades called in the chat room area, and those you would have to do your due diligence on, but you want to focus on the alerts tabs. There are going to be times when an alert goes against you. You want to consider defensive strategies, whether that is averaging down, getting a strangle, grabbing a straddle. You want to be a defensive trader here. Be patient and stay disciplined. This is not something that can be taught, but can be learned through constant practice. Don't wait for anyone to tell you when to sell. You're going to sell when you are green. As soon as I say I'm green on a trade, I am planning my exit, and you should be planning yours as soon as you are green. Continuous education. This is the biggest thing that has worked for traders in this server. You want to continuously educate yourself. You can do this by registering for one-on-one mentoring sessions, which is offered in the server. You can attend the training sessions that are announced in the server. You can purchase a course or 2 from the website. You can purchase our options trading workbook. You can purchase custom scans and scripts. But successful people in this server are continuously educating themselves. Here is an example from one of our members and what has made her successful. She says, there are no shortcuts. The group is inspiring, but you have to do your due diligence. I've subscribed to everything folks have suggested, Market Chameleon, Bloomberg. She purchased my full package, which is my trading space. She has done several mentoring sessions, spent hours on YouTube, paper trading, and practice for a full 5 to 6 months. So this is what one successful member has done. And if you go to the Profits tab, this is the same member, and you can take a look at some of her gains. Here is another member that explains how he's been successful in the trading community. Number 1, I took her options courses to learn. Number 2, I did her coaching sessions. Number 3, I paper traded for a few months. Number 4, I first bought the yellow to cyan custom scan and then purchased her workspace, made my money back on these in one trade. This person has a double number 4. I enter when she says enters and close when I'm green. If it pulls back, I always average down. Sometimes I take the alerts later for a better price. Since I have her workspace, I can see what she sees and sometimes enter before she alerts it. This is why I've been so successful. Follow the alerts, follow the rules. If you go to the Profits tab, you can see the gains from this same member, G Mojito, and how he's doing in our server. So successful traders in the server all have the same characteristics. Now let's talk about the people who are not successful in this server, and over the years I've noticed they share the same characteristics. First, they usually don't read the FAQ. They are posting questions in chat that are easily answered by just reading. And if you won't read the FAQ, then you won't read any of the important information in the server. So that already lets me know that you're not going to be successful here. These members tend to skip the learning and practice stage and expect to be successful. I've had a member take an alert and didn't even know how to close the trade. So here the member goes DMing me, asking me to log into her account to close the trade. Well, something like this would never happen if you didn't skip the learning stage. And the unsuccessful people in this server often complain without taking corrective action. If you're all about complaining, I'm not doing well, I'm losing on this trade, but you're not pointing out ways to correct this, then you're not going to be successful in this server. People who are unsuccessful here don't follow the alerts and take random trades that they see in chat or continue to take whatever trades they wanted to take. What's the point of paying for alerts if you're not going to take them? I've seen this a lot with newer members. As soon as the alert turns red, they get scared and they panic sell. This is a characteristic of someone who wouldn't be successful here. Then we have those members that lack patience and discipline. So sometimes we are in a trade and it takes all day for it to finally unfold. Well, this member would have already sold because they've been red for a minute. Or the member is taking trades that don't meet all the criteria that we're looking for, and that would be lacking the discipline. Another characteristic that I see among most members who aren't successful in the server is the lack of participation. These members aren't involved in the daily chat. These members aren't asking any questions. Closed mouths won't get fed. Members who are actively engaged and involved in the main chat room tend to have more success than those who don't participate at all. Oh, this one's my favorite. Unrealistic expectations. I have members who come with a $500 account and then they are expecting to make the same gains as someone who has a $100,000 account. Unrealistic expectations, you will not be successful here. And then we have those members that come and think that we never lose on any trades, and they're so terrified of taking a loss that they end up panic selling, losing their discipline, and losing. Loss is an expectation in this business. Lastly, members who are not successful in this server are usually unwilling to learn or take the time to invest in educating themselves. So if you aren't making money here, if you consistently are panic selling, if you don't understand how we look for trades, and you're not taking advantage of a mentoring session, a course, our options trading workbook, or if you're not purchasing anything to help you, then you are going to continue to fail and won't be successful in this server. So members with these characteristics usually don't last very long. These aren't the type of people we want in our server. We have a very successful server here, and I am not hurting for members. So do yourself and us a favor. If this is you, please cancel your membership. Again, I want to welcome you to our server. I look forward to learning and earning with you. I hope we are able to help you in your trading journey. Glad to have you here.